In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset trading password in Exness. If you need to update the trading password for one of your Exness accounts, this process is quite straightforward and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Just make sure you're logged into the correct personal area before you begin so you can access the right trading account without confusion. First, go to the Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading accounts, account settings, and security options. Once you've arrived there and signed in, you'll be ready to make the change. Next, click on Accounts and then find the specific trading account you want to update. This is important because many users have more than one trading account, so you want to be certain you're changing the password for the correct one. Take a moment to double check the account details before moving on. After that, look for the three-dot icon next to the account you want to manage. In some layouts, this may appear as a gear or cog icon instead. This menu contains additional account actions and settings, including the option to update your trading password. Click that icon to open the menu. From the menu, click on Change Trading Password. This will open the password update form for that particular trading account. Be careful here not to confuse the trading password with other account credentials. You're specifically changing the password used for that trading account. Now enter a new password following the on-screen requirements. Exness will usually show the password rules directly on the screen, so make sure your new password matches those conditions exactly. It's a good idea to choose something strong and memorable, but not easy for others to guess. If you use a password manager, this can also help you store it securely and avoid losing access later. Once you've entered the new password correctly, click on Change Password. This confirms the update and applies the new password to your selected trading account. After the password has been changed, it's a smart idea to test it the next time you log into your trading platform, just to make sure everything works as expected. Also, if you use this account on multiple devices, remember that you may need to sign in again using the new password. And that's it. That's how to reset your trading password in Exness quickly and safely.